Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy, and I'm your Virginia traffic attorney. One question people ask me a lot is whether or not they should do driving school before they go to court for their traffic case, such as a Virginia reckless driving ticket. I've said repeatedly, and people may misunderstand me a little bit, but what I always recommend is that you want to talk with me about your specific case to determine whether or not that's a good idea. In some cases, it's not a good idea to do driving school. Some judges may not allow people to go to driving school at all, so it may be kind of just a waste of time. And some judges may prefer that they order you to go to driving school. When you call me for your free consultation, we'll talk about who we expect the sitting judge to be on your court date. And that way I can help advise you whether or not that particular judge or any other possible judge that day has different policies regarding driving school. In a lot of cases these days, I do advise clients in my area to go to driving school ahead of time. It can be quite beneficial, but not in all cases. And with some judges and in some cases, depending on the facts, going to driving school is not a good idea ahead of time, or it may simply not do anything positive for the case. And there may be other ways you can use that effort to prepare the case for court. So this is why you need to call me today for your free consultation. We'll talk about the facts of your case. We'll talk about who I would expect to be on the bench for your case and whether or not you should pursue a driving school before court. And the other piece of that analysis is that there's about 3 different driving schools we use in some cases. So I can help advise you which driving school you should go to because there's different curriculum that they use for the different classes. So call me today and we can talk about all those specifics and whether or not you should go to driving school before going to court for your case.